Behold my final victory over the dinette and all of those other cabinets that gave me such a fit. Finally, I win. Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me. Hi, welcome back to the MT and me. It is another beautiful, breezy morning, and we're ready to try and get some more. Whoa.
Hey.
Hey, Shawn. How you doing?
I'm all right, and you?
Doing well, doing well.
What you been up to?
Well, you remember the other day, you and I did the fire and did the final victory over the dinette set. Well, after that, I got out here the next day and got into MT and did a little bit of, tell you what, let me just show y'all what we did. This is all the water lines in the MT. I've been wanting to get these out for weeks.
What's the plan for today?
Well, I want to try to get the rest of this out. And in order to do that, we're probably going to have to get under the MT. In fact, I know we're going to have to. Now, I want to do it this morning because right now, it's fairly pleasant. It hasn't gotten hot, but we've still got another hot day coming up. You know what this last week has been like. It's been ridiculous every afternoon. And inside here it gets really hot, really quick. So if we can get under there this morning while it's still kind of cool outside, get these pipes disconnected, maybe we can get the rest of this entire wet bath can out of here and get the great tank out. I guess before we do anything, we need to hook up a drain and flush these tanks out with the water hose. And that's going to be a first for everyone here because we've never cracked the seal on that dump station yet. This is going to be exciting. Maybe. In order to drain everything, we've got to get the hose. You're going to love this. You stash it in the bumper. 3-inch hose, 4-inch bumper. It's perfect. Come on. Take the cap off, hook the hose up, and then we can just run it out here and drain it, I guess.
Oh, you are not draining that into my mint.
It might give it a delicious new essence.
You are not draining that black tank into my fresh mint.
Okay. You know, I really wasn't going to do that anyway. Not really, not really. I tell you what,
About the French drain.
Yeah, let me get a piece of that 4-inch PVC we have laying around that we never use and see if I can't channel it over to the French drain.
Good. I got clear water.
Well, that's the gray tank. Now we do the black tank.
That's why it took so long to get out.
Yeah.
Grab a board. Water's clear but chunky.
Well, that was disgusting.
Russ,
Yeah.
you're about to get sanitized, baby.
I won't argue.
You are not going in the house.
I won't argue with that.
I'll get the Dawn.
I gotta find a place to hang this where it can dry. What we are looking at is the bottom of the black tank. This is underneath the MT where it comes through the floor. Okay, Shawn, would you rattle that for me? Okay. I need to undo these parts right here. And then see where we stand with that. This is some sort of, it's like a felt pad. It goes all the way around. Okay, so what they did was cut a big hole in the floor and then use this patch underneath to cover it. So getting that patch out of the way, that reveals the bottom of the black tank. And this entire area right here, I can tell this fitting was screwed into the bottom of the tank, but beyond that, this whole assembly is glued in place. So, if I take the saw and go right across here, I should be able to pull that tank up. Okay, all right, so I went underneath the MT. I'd already disconnected the drain. You could just unscrew it. And now we're gonna see if this whole assembly won't just lift right up. Grab that corner right there. Let's see, look at there. Oh, look at there. Ha ha. Oh my, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. All right. Gets that out of the way. We can turn our attention to the gray tank yet again. Okay. This, at long last, is the gray tank taken out. So now we have free access to all that floor just as soon as I get one more vent pipe removed. And cutting it loose shouldn't be any problem. So, that wraps up a good day's work. We got the black tank and the shower pan removed. We got the gray tank removed. We got all the associated plumbing taken out. I'd say it turned into a pretty good day. That's a lot of work that I've been wanting to get done for a long time. All of the plumbing system is now out of the MT. Plus, we have a blank floor, side to side, end to end. That gives us a blank palette to start working on our interior design, something Ree and I have both been waiting to do. In the meantime, there's still more work to be done, so we'll be back next time doing some more of that. I want to thank Shawn for all of his help today. I want to thank Ree for being behind the camera part of the time while we were doing our shots of rinsing the entire system out before we tore it up. And I want to thank you for watching once again. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We could really use your help in reaching that 100 subscription level, okay? Help us out. And be sure and give us a thumbs up on this video, like and share it. Follow us on the MT and Me on Facebook as well. And be sure and join us next time. Till then, I'm Russ. Ree's making brittle again. We'll talk later.